From space, Earth is a blue marble, a swirling sphere of life, a delicate oasis in the vastness of space, our only home. We are all passengers on this spaceship Earth, sharing its resources, breathing its air, dependent on its delicate balance. Yet we are pushing our planet to the brink. Our actions have consequences. Climate change is real and it's happening now. We must act now to protect our planet, for ourselves and for generations to come. The signs are all around us. Glaciers are melting at an alarming rate. The Arctic is warming twice as fast as the global average. Sea levels are rising, threatening coastal communities. Wildfires rage across our planet, fueled by drought and extreme heat. These fires release harmful emissions, further exacerbating climate change. Forests, the lungs of our planet, are disappearing at an alarming rate. Deforestation, driven by agriculture and logging, is pushing countless species towards extinction. We are destroying the very ecosystems that sustain us. There is hope. We have the solutions. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are becoming increasingly affordable and accessible. Investing in these technologies is crucial to reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Sustainable agriculture practices can help us produce food while minimizing our environmental impact. By adopting these methods, we can protect our soil, conserve water, and reduce emissions. Transportation is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. We must transition to cleaner alternatives. Electric vehicles, public transportation and cycling are all part of the solution. Across the globe, people are demanding action. International cooperation is crucial to address this global challenge. The Paris Agreement, signed by nearly 200 countries, is a testament to our collective commitment. Young people in particular are leading the charge. They understand that their future is at stake. Their passion and determination are inspiring. From school strikes to online campaigns, they are raising awareness and demanding change. Their voices are being heard. The time for complacency is over. We have witnessed the devastating effects of climate change firsthand. From the dying forests to the parched lands, the signs are all around us. The Earth is crying out for help, and we can no longer ignore its pleas. The time for action is now. The time for action is now. We see people from all walks of life coming together to demand change. Activists are raising their voices and communities are embracing renewable energy solutions. Solar panels are being installed on rooftops and wind turbines are generating clean power. These are the steps we must take to secure a sustainable future. We must act urgently and decisively. The frequency and intensity of natural disasters are increasing and emergency response teams are stretched to their limits. We cannot afford to wait any longer. Every moment counts and every action matters. We must transition to renewable energy sources and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Every individual has a role to play. Reduce your carbon footprint. Support sustainable businesses. Make your voice heard. Simple actions like recycling, conserving water and planting trees can have a significant impact. By making conscious choices, we can collectively drive change, support companies that prioritize sustainability and hold those that don't accountable. Together, we can make a difference. When we unite for a common cause, our efforts are amplified. Community cleanup projects and conservation initiatives are just the beginning. We must foster a culture of environmental stewardship and inspire others to join us. Together we can restore our planet and protect it for future generations. We have the knowledge, the technology and the resources. Scientists are working tirelessly to understand the impacts of climate change and develop innovative solutions. Research facilities are pioneering advancements in green energy, and we have the tools to implement these technologies on a global scale. What we need now is the will to act. What we need now is the will to act. Governments and policymakers must prioritize the environment and enact legislation that promotes sustainability. Public pressure is crucial in driving these changes. Participate in climate strikes, advocate for policy reforms, and hold your leaders accountable. Our collective voice can influence decision makers and shape a greener future. Let us come together as a global community. Environmental challenges know no borders, and international cooperation is essential. By sharing knowledge, resources and technology, we can tackle climate change more effectively. Global conferences and partnerships are paving the way for collaborative efforts. Let us build bridges and work together towards a common goal. Let us be the generation that solves climate change. Education and awareness are key to driving long-term change. By empowering the next generation with knowledge and tools, we can ensure a sustainable future. Support educational programs, engage in community outreach, and spread the message of environmental responsibility. Together we can inspire a movement that transcends generations. Let us build a sustainable future for all. The time is now. Imagine cities with green buildings, clean parks and thriving ecosystems. A world where families can enjoy nature without the threat of pollution. This vision is within our reach, but it requires immediate and sustained action. Let us commit to making this vision a reality. The time is now.